Have you ever set ambitious goals, only to find yourself stuck in a cycle of delays and distractions? Procrastination affects nearly everyone. But what if there was a simple strategy backed by science that could help you break free and reclaim your productivity? Let's explore the 5-minute rule and how it can reshape the way you approach your tasks. Procrastination isn't a result of laziness. It's often tied to your brain's executive function, which governs planning, decision-making, and focus. When you're overwhelmed or unsure of where to start, this part of your brain triggers avoidance as a coping mechanism. While this might offer temporary relief, it ultimately compounds stress and delays progress. Here's where the 5-minute rule comes into play. This technique encourages you to start any task by committing to just 5 minutes of focused effort. Why does this work? Because starting a task often requires more energy than continuing it. Once you begin, your brain overcomes its initial resistance, making it easier to maintain momentum. To implement this strategy effectively, begin by breaking down larger tasks into micro-goals. For example, instead of tackling an entire project, focus on writing one paragraph or organizing one folder. By narrowing your focus, you reduce the psychological barrier that prevents you from starting. Once you initiate the task, even in a small way, your brain releases dopamine, a neurotransmitter linked to motivation and pleasure. This chemical boost creates a sense of satisfaction, which encourages continued effort. Often, those initial 5 minutes will naturally extend into longer periods of productivity. Distractions are one of the biggest contributors to procrastination. Before starting, take proactive steps to minimize them. Silence notifications, close irrelevant tabs, and create a workspace conducive to focus. These small adjustments can significantly improve your ability to stay on task during those critical 5 minutes. After completing your 5-minute session, take a moment to reflect. What progress did you make? How did starting change your perception of the task? Tracking your progress not only builds confidence, but also reinforces the habit of taking action, making future tasks feel more approachable. Sharing your micro-goals with others is a powerful tool for accountability. When you articulate your intentions, whether to a colleague, a friend, or even in the comments below, you create a layer of responsibility that motivates follow-through. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure progress. Procrastination is not an insurmountable challenge. It's a habit that can be reprogrammed with the right strategies. The 5-minute rule offers a starting point, helping you overcome inertia, build momentum, and make meaningful progress toward your goals. Remember, the path to productivity begins with a single, intentional step. If you found this strategy helpful, subscribe for more actionable insights and share it with someone who might benefit. Together, we can build habits that lead to lasting success. And don't forget, comment below with your first micro-goal. Your next step begins today. Ready for more strategies? Watch our video uncovering the secret of why you're not seeing results. It's just one click away.